Hello, let us solve one question from CS and NET on 20 November, real analysis part C. The question is define f of xy is equal to x cube by x square plus y square when xy not equal to 0, point and 0 when xy is equal to 0, 0. Then option 1, f is discontinuous at origin, f is continuous at origin, all directional derivative of f at origin exist, and option 4, f is not differentiable at origin. Now for option 1, f of xy is equal to x cube by x square plus y square when xy not equal to 0, 0 and 0 when xy is equal to 0, 0. Now for continuity we have to check that the limit at origin exists or not. That means we have to find limit xy tends to origin f of xy exists or not. To find the limit we have to convert the function to polar form. Let x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. Then xy tends to 0 is same as r tends to 0. Now limit xy tends to 0, 0, f of xy is same as limit r tends to 0 f of r cos theta and r sin theta. Limit xy tends to 0, 0, x cube by x square plus y square is equal to limit r tends to 0 r cube cos cube theta divided by r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta, which is equal to limit r tends to 0 r cube cos cube theta whole divided by r square into cos square theta plus sin square theta, which is equal to limit r tends to 0 r cos cube theta is equal to 0. So limit xy tends to 0, 0 f of xy is equal to 0 exists. So and f of xy is equal to 0 when x y is equal to 0, 0 point. So the functional value is same as the limit value. So the function continuous at origin. So for this question, option 1 said that f is discontinuous at origin. This is wrong. Option 2, f is continuous at origin. Option 2 is correct. Now option 3, all directional derivative of f at origin exists. To find directional derivative, at origin along any arbitrary direction hk is limit t tends to 0 f of 0 plus ht 0 plus kt minus f of 0, 0 whole divided by t, which is equal to limit t tends to 0 h cube t cube whole divided by h square t square plus h square t square minus 0 whole divided by t, which is equal to limit t tends to 0 h cube t cube by t square into h square plus k square whole divided by t, which is equal to limit t tends to 0 h cube by h square plus k square, which is equal to h cube by h square plus k square. Now this value exists at all point. Check at h is equal to 0 and k is equal to 0. It is nothing but the function like f of hk, which is equal to 0 when hk is equal to 0. So the directional derivative at origin along any direction exists finitely. So for this question, option 3 said that all directional derivative of f at origin exists. This is true. Now option 4, f is not differentiable at origin. To prove this f is differentiable or not, we have to know that df is equal to f of a plus h b plus k minus f of a b is equal to a h plus b k plus h phi of hk plus k psi of h k, where a is equal to partial derivative with respect to x at point AB and b is equal to partial derivative with respect to y at point AB. Here the point AB is equal to the origin, and phi and psi are function of h k tending to 0. We have to check at origin the function f is differentiable or not. Now for differentiable condition, f of a plus h b plus k is equal to ah plus bk plus h phi of hk plus k psi of hk. Now here ab is equal to point origin, so f of hk is equal to ah plus bk plus h of phi hk plus k into psi hk. Now a is equal to partial derivative with respect to x at origin, which is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of 0 plus h 0 minus f of 0 0 whole divided by h, which is equal to limit h tends to 0 h cube by h square whole divided by h is equal to 1, and b is equal to partial derivative with respect to y at origin, which is equal to limit k tends to 0 f of 0 0 plus k minus f of 0 0 whole divided by k, which is equal to limit k tends to 0 0 by k square by k, which is equal to 0. Now f of hk is equal to h plus h phi of hk plus k into psi of hk, which implies that h cube by h square plus k square minus h is equal to h phi of hk plus k into psi of hk, which implies that h into h square by h square plus k square minus 1, which is equal to h into phi of hk plus k into psi of hk, which implies that now equating both sides with respect to coefficient of h and k, we get phi of hk is equal to h square minus h square plus k square minus 1, and psi of hk is equal to 0. Now we have to check when hk tends to 0 0 point, phi of hk is equal to 0 or not, and psi of hk is equal to 0 or not. Now limit phi of hk when hk tends to origin is equal to limit hk tends to origin h square by h square plus k square minus 1, which is equal to limit hk tends to origin h square minus h square minus k square by h square plus k square, which is equal to limit hk tends to origin minus k square by h square plus k square. Take h is equal to mk path, then limit k tends to 0 minus k square divided by m square plus k square plus k square, which is equal to limit k tends to 0 minus k square by k square into 1 plus m square, which is equal to minus 1 by 1 plus m square, and this value is different for different m. So when hk tends to origin, the limit value of phi of hk does not exist. So df f of a plus h b plus k, which is equal to f of h k is not equal to ah plus bk plus h into phi of hk plus k into psi of hk. So the function f is not differentiable at origin. So for this question, option 4 said that f is not differentiable at origin, and we also get f is not differentiable at origin. So option 4 is correct. So for this question, option 2, option 3, option 4 are our correct answer. Thank you.